Stop scrolling. Did you know that in 2026 you can earn $3,000 working online from anywhere in the world? Most people don't even know about these opportunities. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the top online jobs for foreigners, step-by-step strategies to get started, and insider tips that could change your life. Make sure you watch until the end because I have a special surprise for you that you won't want to miss. And if you want more videos like this showing how to earn, work, and live legally from anywhere, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon right now. Are you ready to discover how you can earn a significant income working online from anywhere in the world in 2026? If yes, this guide is designed for you. With the global shift toward remote work, online jobs have become one of the most effective ways for foreigners to earn money without relocating. In this part, you will learn about high-paying opportunities, the steps to get started, and insider strategies that can help you maximize your income while working legally and efficiently. Online jobs are growing rapidly because companies across the globe now embrace remote work. There is no need to move physically to another country if you have the right skills and a strong online presence. Global accessibility means you can work for companies in the USA, UK, Europe, or Asia directly from your home. Many of these roles pay between $2,000 and $5,000 per month, and with specialized skills, this can go even higher. Flexible working hours, low startup costs, and the ability to scale your career quickly make online work extremely attractive. All you need is a computer, a stable internet connection, and your dedication. One of the biggest advantages of online work is the variety of opportunities available. Freelancing platforms provide endless possibilities to earn money. Websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal connect clients with freelancers worldwide. The skills most in demand include graphic design, animation, web development, programming, writing, content creation, and digital marketing. These platforms allow you to showcase your portfolio, build credibility through positive reviews, and gradually increase your rates. For example, a beginner graphic designer can start at a moderate rate, and within months, with consistent work, earn a steady $2,000+ per month. Experienced professionals, especially in web development or software engineering, can command even higher earnings. Online teaching and tutoring is another thriving sector. Global students and professionals are increasingly looking for tutors to improve their skills. Teaching platforms like VIPKid, Preplay, and italki allow you to teach languages, while platforms like Udemy or Teachable enable you to create courses on a variety of subjects including programming, design, and professional development. Skilled tutors or course creators can earn anywhere between $15 and $50 per hour, depending on experience, subject, and demand. Even a beginner with clear communication skills and the ability to explain concepts effectively can quickly build a solid student base and earn a substantial income. Teaching online also gives you the flexibility to schedule sessions according to your time zone, allowing you to reach international students without leaving your home. Remote corporate jobs are increasingly available to foreigners. Companies are now hiring internationally for positions in customer support, virtual assistance, IT, software development, and project management. Many of these jobs offer competitive salaries and benefits similar to on-site employees. Platforms like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Remote.co list thousands of opportunities where foreign applicants are welcome. To maximize your chances, create a professional profile highlighting your skills, certifications, and relevant experience. Tailor your applications to each job and ensure you demonstrate an understanding of remote work tools and communication practices. With dedication, it is possible to land a remote corporate position that pays a reliable monthly income, often higher than freelancing on your own. Digital content creation has also emerged as a powerful way to earn. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media channels offer opportunities to create content that can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing commissions, and direct sales. Content types that perform well include educational videos, tech reviews, travel guides, tutorials, and lifestyle content targeted toward global audiences. A content creator who consistently uploads quality videos and engages with the audience can quickly build a following and monetize through multiple revenue streams. Even beginners can start small, producing short but informative videos and gradually scale as their channel grows. Affiliate marketing is closely linked to online content creation. By promoting products or services from other companies and sharing links with your audience, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale provide platforms for affiliates to find products and track earnings. Affiliate marketing works best when paired with a strong online presence such as a blog, social media account, or YouTube channel. The key to success is consistent content creation, audience trust, and selecting products that are relevant and valuable to your audience. High-performing affiliates can earn thousands per month with minimal upfront investment. E-commerce and dropshipping have become viable online job options for foreigners in 2026. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy allow anyone to sell products to a global audience. You can either stock products yourself or use dropshipping to sell items without holding inventory. Products with high demand, low shipping costs, and clear market research are ideal for maximizing profit. A small store targeting a specific niche can generate $2,000, $5,000 per month within a few months if promoted effectively. Social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and search engine optimization play critical roles in driving traffic to your online store. Another fast-growing area is virtual assistants. Small business owners, entrepreneurs, and busy professionals are hiring virtual assistants to manage their emails, schedules, social media accounts, customer inquiries, and administrative tasks. Virtual assistants can charge anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour initially, and with experience, rates can increase significantly. The job requires organizational skills, communication abilities, and familiarity with basic online tools like Google Workspace, Zoom, Trello, and Slack. Many remote assistants work from their home, managing multiple clients and earning a steady income. Writing and content development is another reliable avenue. Freelance writers, copywriters, and bloggers are in high demand for creating website content, marketing materials, social media posts, and newsletters. Businesses globally look for writers who can produce high-quality, engaging content. Platforms like Medium, Freelancer, and Upwork are great starting points. Writing allows flexibility, and as your experience grows, you can command higher rates or work directly with companies on long-term contracts. Specialized skills such as SEO writing or technical writing make you more competitive and increase your earning potential. Online consulting is emerging as a top-paying remote career. Professionals in fields like finance, business strategy, health, fitness, marketing, and IT offer consultations via video calls and online sessions. You can leverage your expertise to help clients solve problems and improve their business or personal goals. Consulting fees often range from $50 to $200 per hour depending on your credentials and results. This sector is ideal for professionals who already have experience and want to scale their knowledge globally without relocating. To succeed in online jobs as a foreigner, the following steps are crucial. Identify your skill set. Know what you are best at and what can generate income online. Choose a platform. Whether it's freelancing websites, tutoring platforms, e-commerce, or content creation, pick the platform that suits your skills. Build a portfolio. Show examples of your work to attract clients or employers. Learn tools and technology. Familiarity with online communication tools, project management software, and relevant tech makes you more marketable. Consistency. Regularly apply for jobs, post content, and engage with your audience to build credibility. Optimize profiles. Use professional pictures, clear descriptions, and keywords to ensure discoverability. Networking. Connect with other professionals, join online communities, and participate in relevant discussions to find new opportunities. Finally, remember that persistence is key. Online jobs for foreigners in 2026 are plentiful, but competition is high. By focusing on your skills, staying consistent, and learning the best practices, you can generate a reliable income.